work that I do for both the food and pharmaceutical industry is really important, just ensuring that safety standards are met and that we are not consuming anything that is lethal or toxic to us. My name's Taryn, Reid, and I'm a scientist at RSSL. We analyse food and pharmaceuticals, so that could be looking for impurities within a food or pharmaceutical product. The food samples could be a fizzy drink, water or coffee, for example, and the raw material for pharmaceuticals can be titanium dioxide or magnesium stearate. We do this mainly from a safety perspective, so a lot of regulatory requirements from food and pharmaceutical industry require this testing. Without safe food and safe medicine, we would be in trouble. We have a variety of different labs at RSSL, but the lab I'm currently working in, we use very specific and highly sensitive instrumentation to analyse these different samples. Here I have a coffee sample, which has been sent for arsenic, mercury and lead testing. Here is a microwave that we use to digest the organic matter in samples, and as you can see, my samples have been digested in nitric acid. We now have the results for this sample, and it shows that the arsenic, mercury and lead levels are very low and therefore safe. I'd start my day in the lab doing preparation, so that's like mostly sample preparation and just making sure all the parameters for the analysis are met. I then run the samples on the instrument, which can take anything between an hour to 24 hours, depending on how many samples and what I'm analysing. I will then spend half the day analysing the data as well, finish all my paperwork, and then give it to someone so they can read over it and check the results. Science revolves around asking the question of why and trying to find out why something is happening. Just having that curiosity really does help. When I did my A-levels and I was doing A-level chemistry, I found out I was really passionate about chemistry and what I was learning. It was very interesting. I decided to do pharmaceutical chemistry at university. I did realise that there was a lack of non-white ethnic minority representation at a higher level in chemistry. Obviously for me that does send a message that it did seem maybe slightly difficult to get into. I didn't have a positive role model who looked like me. I'm hoping that I can be a positive role model for someone. Regardless of ethnic background or any identity, there is space for everyone here in chemistry.